Go Buster!
Hello, Terry. Oh my goodness, it's a very windy day. And look, here's Scout and Buster. But what's wrong, Terry? Oh no, the wind has blown away all of Terry's fruit and vegetables. That's no good. Scout, Buster, can you help Terry find his fruit and vegetables? Of course you can. Terry has a red box. Scout has an orange box. And Buster has a green box. Let's go find all the missing fruit and veg. Buster has a green box, which means he needs to find something that's green. There's green grass, some straw. Wow! It's broccoli. Broccoli is green. Well done, Buster. Put the broccoli in the green box. Scout has got an orange box, which means she needs to find some food that is orange. Oh my goodness, it has been a windy day. That's a green tree. No orange fruit or vegetables here. Keep looking, Scout. What's that? Oh, well done, Scout. Carrots. Carrots are orange, so they go in the orange box. Finally, Terry. Terry has a red box. I think Terry has spotted something already. In the dirt, Terry. What can you see? Some tomatoes. Well done, Terry. Move that dirt and there they are. Good work. The tomatoes are red, so they go in the red box. Well done. That's everything. Terry is very happy all of his fruit and vegetables are back in their boxes. Well done, Buster. Thanks for helping, Scout. Broccoli, carrots, and tomatoes. See you next time, Scout. Bye, Buster. See you, Terry.